My name is Ignatius Maranga. I'm a renewable energy enthusiast and electric mobility enthusiast as well. So 600 million people in Africa do not have access to electricity. So you get people in these areas who do not have access to electricity. Out of 10 girls, at least half of these girls, 5 of these girls do not go to school because this is in rural Africa. They have to fetch water and do house chores. Then you also get, at least in Africa, we need to get a higher number of vehicles to ease mobility from one place to another. So to solve these problems, we developed a solar-powered trike, and this is a solar-powered electric vehicle. It means it uses the energy from the sun to power it. It has a solar panel that generates this electricity. Then it has storage for it to move even when you do not have energy from the sun. It's driven by electric motors. So the bike actually can carry 100 kilograms, 100 kgs. This is excluding the driver, and it has a range of around 55 kilometers, and you can go at a maximum speed of around 60 kilometers an hour. You know, at the university you have the Energy Research Center. So mainly support given by the university is research. So this is research in renewable energy solutions. Research towards the development of the bike. This is the infrastructure bit. Research in terms of regulations, electric mobility regulations, and how to get into the market. So far, we've had several design iterations to get to this trike that we are in right now. At least we've won 2 major grants. One was with the EED, then we won later a grant with Valeo, a vehicle auto parts manufacturer based in France. Then we are working with the government currently to see if we can actually get this solution to the people. This bike is of benefit to several users. One, it can be used by hawkers that we have on the streets, and they can use this as their stand and also to move to and fro from home, right? It can be used by mkokoteni guys, to transport stuff. It can be used by boda boda guys, to move, to transport people around. It can also be used as a transport solution from home to work. You use it to power your houses, in the evening as you have storage. And eventually, because we'll have clean energy used for transport, we'll reduce the amount of carbon emissions that Kenya contributes to the environment. Part of the 30% of Kenyans who do not have access to electricity might actually use this solution, 1 for transport, and 2 might use this solution to power their homes in the evenings, right? Because you have energy storage with you here. After a whole day of using the bike, it's still gathering charge. You can use these batteries to power your home. In the morning is to get charge and go about your business.